I've been using Zapier, Make, and N8N extensively in 2025, and if you're trying to figure out which automation platform to go with, the choice really comes down to how hands-on you want to be and what kind of control you need over your workflows. All three tools help automate tasks between apps, but they serve very different types of users. Zapier is still the go-to choice for simplicity and speed. It's perfect for users who want to create automations without touching any code. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and supports thousands of popular apps. If your goal is to get up and running fast with basic to moderately complex workflows, Zapier delivers a smooth experience. However, its pricing in 2025 has gone up a bit, and the more advanced features are locked behind higher-tier plans, which can add up quickly if you rely on automation heavily. Make, formerly Integromat, is a favorite for people who need more visual control. It uses a flowchart-style builder that shows every step in your automation, making it easier to track and modify complex logic. It's more powerful than Zapier in terms of customization and data handling, and it's priced more competitively. But that flexibility comes with a learning curve. Make isn't as beginner-friendly, and it may take some time to fully grasp how to structure scenarios efficiently. Then there's N8N, which is the most developer-friendly of the three. It's open source, which means you can host it yourself and avoid subscription costs entirely. It offers deep control over data, supports custom code, and integrates with nearly any API. If you're comfortable with technical setups and want full ownership over your automations, N8N is a strong choice. That said, it's not designed for non-technical users, and setting it up initially can take some work. If you're looking for ease of use and wide app support, Zapier is the most convenient option. If you want more control and don't mind a bit of learning curve, Make gives you flexibility and better pricing. But if you're a developer or power user who values open source freedom and complete control, N8N is where you'll find the most power. If this comparison helped you out, give the video a like, share it with someone exploring automation tools, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.